Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how can you use TikTok in America, even after being banned, and don't worry, this will be 100% safe, secured process. So basically, what will we do is download a good VPN app. And in this case, I will tell you guys about a free VPN, which I actually using from quite a long time ago. So at first, we will open App Store and search VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. And as you can see, you will have to download the exact same app here. You can confirm by seeing this logo. After downloading the app, we will allow and agree all the conditions, and also allow the VPN configuration options. And we will see that now we have a lot of countries to choose our VPN server. I will suggest you guys to choose Germany as its fast and secured server. Please make sure to comment if you find the video helpful. So now then we have downloaded the VPN app, we will now download TikTok. If you already have TikTok app in your phone, you don't have to download it again. But if you have deleted the app, you can download again by following these steps. Also remember one thing, if you haven't deleted TikTok app, and now you're still unable to use even after using the VPN, I will suggest you to delete it and follow these steps. Step 1. Open App Store. Go to your profile, Personalized recommendations. You'll see account settings option written in small letters, so you'll click that and you'll see the country region is selected in United States. So you'll click this and choose Germany. After choosing Germany, now click the agree option up the top left and now just follow what I do. So click none option here, and here you'll see name option. You will write your names and move to street and write here none, and skip the next street option. And in the postcode option, write 10115. And in the city, write Berlin. Now in the phone number, just write these. And there you go. We have now changed our App Store region to Germany. So now download TikTok and start using it just like earlier. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If this video was helpful, please hit subscribe and make sure to comment so that others can realize this is a trustworthy channel. Thanks and have a good day.